Dialogue 1. Shopping at a store.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Great. I need some help.
Sure, what are you looking for?
I need a winter coat.
Coats are in aisle 5.
Thank you. Can you show me?
Of course, please follow me.
These coats look very nice.
Yes, they are new arrivals.
How much is this black coat?
That coat is $50.
Do you have smaller sizes?
Yes, let me check quickly.
Thank you. I'll wait here.
Here's a smaller size coat.
Perfect. Can I try it?
Yes, fitting rooms are over there.
Thanks. I'll try it now.
Let me know if it fits.
It fits well. I'll take it.
Great. Anything else you need?
Yes, I need warm gloves.
Gloves are near the cashier's counter.
Thanks. I'll check them out.
Need help finding the right pair?
Yes, which gloves are best sellers?
These leather gloves are very popular.
They look good. How much are they?
They cost $25 each.
I'll buy the gloves as well.
Anything else before you check out?
No, just the coat and gloves.
Okay, let's go to the counter.
Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome. That's my job.
Can I pay with credit card?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Great. Here's my credit card.
Your total is $75.
Here's my card for payment.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Okay, I entered the PIN.
Perfect. Your payment is successful.
Can I return if needed later?
Yes, within 30 days with receipt.
That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Please visit again soon. Dialogue 2. Making a doctor's appointment.
Hello, is this the clinic?
Hello. Yes, this is Sunshine Clinic.
I need to make an appointment.
Sure. When do you prefer?
Tomorrow morning, if it's available.
Let me check the schedule.
Thank you. I'll wait here.
Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. is free.
That time works perfectly for me.
May I have your full name?
My name is John Parker.
Thank you. Have you visited before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, I'll register you now.
Thank you. Do you need my details?
Yes, can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 555-123-4567.
Got it. What's your date of birth?
It's March 15th, 1990.
Thank you. What's the reason for visit?
I've been having a sore throat.
How long has it been bothering you?
It's been about 3 days now.
Any fever or other symptoms too?
Yes, I've also had a headache.
I'll note that for the doctor.
Thank you. Will it take long?
Usually, appointments take about 20 minutes.
That's great. Should I bring anything?
Please bring an ID and insurance.
Okay. Do you accept all insurances?
Yes, we accept most major insurances.
Good to know. Is parking available?
Yes, we have free parking outside.
Perfect. Do I need to confirm?
No, your appointment is confirmed now.
Thank you. Can I reschedule if needed?
Yes, just call us anytime before.
That's helpful. What's the cancellation policy?
No fee if canceled 24 hours prior.
Good to know. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow morning.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care until then.
Thanks. I'll rest and stay hydrated.
Yes, that's very important. Feel better.
Thanks. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Great. Goodbye, Mr. Parker.
Dialogue 3. Booking a hotel room.
Good afternoon. Is this the hotel?
Good afternoon. Yes, this is Grand View Hotel.
I'd like to book a room.
Sure. When would you like to stay?
From Friday to Sunday, please.
Let me check the availability.
Thank you. I'll wait patiently.
We have rooms available for you.
Great. What room options are there?
We have single and double rooms.
I need a double room, please.
Would you prefer a standard room?
Do you have any deluxe rooms?
Yes, we have deluxe rooms too.
What's the price for deluxe?
It's $120 per night, sir.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Great. May I have your name?
My name is Bill Jones.
Thank you. How many guests, sir?
It's for 2 people only.
Okay. Do you have special requests?
Yes, I'd like a non-smoking room.
Sure. All deluxe rooms are non-smoking.
That's perfect. Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is included.
What about breakfast? Is it free?
Yes, breakfast is complimentary for all guests.
Excellent. Does the hotel have parking?
Yes, we offer free parking too.
Great. Can I pay upon arrival?
Yes, payment can be made at check-in.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
That's good. Can I cancel later?
Free cancellation is available 24 hours before.
That's very convenient. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else I can assist?
What time is check-in, please?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
And what time is check-out?
Checkout is by 11 a.m., sir.
Perfect. Can I get extra pillows?
Of course. We'll arrange extra pillows.
Thank you. I appreciate your assistance.
My pleasure. Your booking is confirmed.
Great. I'm excited for my stay.
We look forward to welcoming you, sir.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too. See you this weekend.
Dialogue 4. Talking about hobbies.
Hi, Jim. How are you today?
Hi, John. I'm doing great.
That's good. What's new lately?
Not much. I've been painting.
Painting? That sounds so interesting.
Thanks. It's my favorite hobby.
What kind of painting do you do?
I paint landscapes and beautiful nature.
That's amazing. Are you self-taught?
Yes, I learned by watching videos.
That's impressive. Do you paint daily?
Not daily, but whenever I can.
Do you sell your paintings too?
No, I just paint for fun.
That's great. It must be relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Do you use watercolors or oils?
I mostly use acrylic paints now.
Cool. Can I see your paintings?
Sure, I'll show you later.
Awesome. My hobby is playing guitar.
Really? How long have you played?
I've played guitar for 2 years.
That's nice. What songs do you play?
I like playing rock and pop songs.
That's cool. Do you sing too?
Yes, sometimes I sing while playing.
That must be so much fun.
It is. I really enjoy performing.
Do you play guitar every day?
Yes, I practice for 1 hour daily.
Wow, that takes a lot of dedication.
It does, but I really love it.
Do you play for your friends?
Yes, we have small jam sessions sometimes.
That sounds so fun. Can I join?
Of course. You can bring your art.
That's a great idea. Let's plan it.
Yes, maybe this weekend at my place.
Sounds good. What time should I come?
Come around 5 p.m. Bring your paintings.
Okay. I'll bring some of my favorites.
Perfect. I'll prepare some snacks too.
Thanks. It's going to be exciting.
Definitely. I can't wait to see your art.
I'm excited to hear you play guitar.
We'll have a great time together.
Yes, it'll be a fun evening.
Hobbies bring so much joy to life.
Absolutely. I'm glad we shared ours.
Dialogue 5. Preparing for a party. Hi, Nancy. How are you today?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing great.
Great. Are you ready to plan?
Yes. Let's organize the party together.
Perfect. Let's start with the food.
Okay. What should we serve?
I think pizza and sandwiches are good.
That's a great idea. Everyone loves pizza.
Should we add some snacks too?
Yes, chips and popcorn sound perfect.
Great. What about drinks for everyone?
Let's have soda, juice, and water.
Perfect. Should we include any desserts?
Yes, maybe cookies and a cake.
I agree. A cake is a must.
What flavor cake should we get?
Chocolate is always a safe choice.
I love chocolate too. Let's get that.
Now, let's think about the decorations.
Yes, what theme should we choose?
A summer theme would be fun.
That's a great idea. Bright colors everywhere.
We'll need balloons, banners, and tablecloths.
Should we also get some flowers?
Yes, fresh flowers will look beautiful.
I'll buy some sunflowers for the tables.
Perfect. What about music for the party?
Let's make a playlist with pop songs.
That's a good idea. Everyone loves pop.
Should we include some slow songs too?
Yes, for a relaxing vibe later.
I'll make a playlist tonight.
Thank you. I'll handle the decorations.
Perfect. What time should the party start?
Let's start at 6 p.m. sharp.
Sounds good. How many guests are coming?
About 20 people will be attending.
That's a good number. Enough space?
Yes, my living room is big enough.
Great. Should we play some games too?
Yes, games will make it more fun.
I'll bring some board games along.
Awesome. I'll arrange some party hats.
That's fun. Should we have a photo corner?
Yes, we can make one with props.
I'll bring some props for photos.
Thank you. I think we're ready now.
Yes. This is going to be amazing.
I can't wait for the party.
Me too. It's going to be fun.